Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm showing you this cold girl makeup that's been trending on TikTok. I live in Miami so I don't get to actually feel the cold, but this look brings a little bit of festivity. It's super duper simple. All of the ones I've seen, it's just basically making sure that your cheeks look extra rosy like you've been in the cold, and some little lip packs. But yeah, if you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching and I will see you in a second.